Keeping your car looking like it just rolled out of the showroom does not have to be complicated or time-consuming. This carefully curated car care kit brings together essential products trusted by perfectionists who demand consistent, professional results. From your very first wash to the final finishing touches, everything works in harmony to protect your vehicle and enhance its appearance with minimal effort. The process begins with a biodegradable car wash formula that is safe for all paints, gently lifting dirt and grime without stripping protection. Paired with a pH-balanced wheel cleaner that is safe for all wheel types, it allows you to thoroughly clean both paint and wheels with confidence. Once the surface is clean, the paint cleaning clay works alongside Speed Shine to remove embedded contaminants that regular washing leaves behind, leaving the paint silky smooth and ready for protection. To enhance and protect the finish, Best of Show Wax delivers impressive paint depth, clarity, and a rich glow that highlights your vehicle's color. For quick touch-ups between washes, Speed Shine provides a fast 5-minute detail that restores gloss and slickness. The kit is rounded out with vinyl and rubber dressing, perfect for refreshing tires, exterior trim, and interior surfaces for a clean, well-cared-for look. This all-in-one kit is ideal for first-time users looking to get started the right way, as well as long-time enthusiasts who want an easy way to stock up on trusted favorites. Each product is designed to be easy to use, helping you maintain your vehicle's appearance while protecting your investment over time. Created by Griot's Garage, a brand known for premium car care solutions, this kit offers a simple and effective routine that delivers impressive results. If you want your car to look incredible without overcomplicating the process, check the product link in the video description to learn more and make your purchase today. Subscribe to the channel to discover more high-quality car care products and tips to keep your vehicle looking its best.